Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I just made it to the dollar store and I went to my favorite location, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to hit the jackpot today. And keep in mind, I don't have a budget, so today is going to be a lot of fun shopping at the dollar store. But anyways, before we get started, if you are new here, definitely stick around, subscribe, and hit the notification bell because my channel is all about shopping. So if you like to shop, then you're going to love this channel. And if you want to see other content from me, then go ahead and subscribe to my second channel as well. You won't be disappointed. But it's finally time to go into the dollar store and start shopping. Now the first section that I have to look at is the makeup section, and you won't believe this, I actually found a bunch of new stuff, so I can't wait to show you everything. And of course I have to buy a bunch as well, so for friends and family, of course the giveaway, so keep that in mind. And if you guys want to enter, definitely check out the box down below and make sure you watch the whole entire video. But let me go and show you guys these nail files. So here's a closer look of the nail files, you guys. So the brand Diamond, which is really good, I promise, and these are actually really small to put into a stocking, so keep that in mind, and really nice to add to a Christmas box as well. So I can't believe you get 3 things for $1. Seriously a steal. And don't you guys love the nail file color? So pretty. It matches the packaging. I decided to go ahead and get one for me and one for you, and of course for a friend. She's going to love this. So I love finding the brand iGlow. They make really nice nail polishes, and these sets are actually amazing because you get 3 for $1. Really good deal. And I also see some more nail files up here, so I have to show you. And I have to bring home the new sets because I've been collecting nail polishes lately. And once again, for $1, why not, you know? But let's go ahead and shop. Look how beautiful this is, you guys. You get so many things for $1, and I love the pink bow so much. It's so cute, and these are small enough to add to a stocking as well. So it looks like you get a brush, a nail clipper, 2 nail files, like so cute. So I have to get 3 of these as well, and keep in mind one of these are going into the giveaway too. So cute. But it's finally time to look at the iGlow nail polishes. So this set is really pretty. You get red, pink, and neon yellow. But if you guys see a set that you like, definitely let me know. So this one you get 2 shades of blue and gold, really pretty as well. This one is definitely calling my name. I love the glitter nail polish to the far left. And you also get a pastel purple and red. I have to get this one, you guys. So cute. And they have another one up here, which is perfect. So one for you guys. Section actually surprised me, you guys, because every week honestly it's pretty disappointing. But it's finally time to look at the makeup section, and you won't believe this, I actually found an LED makeup mirror, which is so exciting, and the size of it is actually really good. So they have 2 colors. Here are the 2 colors, so purple and white, which is really pretty. You guys know I have to get the white and the gray because it matches the modern theme, so I really love this. Definitely let me know which color you guys are going to get, and hopefully they bring in some pink ones as well. But I have to get this one, and I'm pretty sure you guys will enjoy this too. So one for you. So pretty. I also have a friend that would love this, so one for her too. So cute. But I just noticed another nail set over here, you guys. I can't believe I passed over it. So this one you get pink, purple, and dark red. I definitely have to bring that one home with me. So cute. But once again, just let me know if you guys see anything that you like. So I just found the brand LA Colors, you guys, and they have new eyeshadows and highlighters here, but I'm pretty sure we saw this back in Florida last year, but I could be wrong. These actually might be new, so I'm going to buy them and just compare it to my old ones. Hopefully I didn't declutter them, but I think I did. Hopefully I didn't, but anyways, I have to show you guys these and of course bring some home with. This eyeshadow is seriously so gorgeous. So you get 3 colors, but keep in mind you can mix them and it's very beautiful. So this one is called Mesmerizing. You get dark pink, gold, and a rose gold color. So beautiful. And I know we didn't see this back in Florida, so keep that in mind. And here's another eyeshadow, you guys. So it's called Peaceful. You get light pink, a gold color, and light gold. So beautiful. I love this. And they actually have 2 of these left, so one for me and one for you. I can't wait to try this out, and hopefully I didn't buy this already. I'm pretty sure it's new. And they also have highlighters and eyeshadows up here, but let me go ahead and put this in my basket real quick. But which one is your favorite so far? I have to know. I feel like Mesmerizing is way better, but they're both really pretty. So it's finally time to look at the highlighters. So here it is, you guys. this, and it's called Moonstone. Really pretty. So you get a dark purple, gold, and a light brown. So I'm pretty sure we saw this in Florida, but I'll keep you guys updated on my Instagram stories. And the one back here is called Garden Party. So you get a dark pink, a cream color, and a light pink color. Really pretty as well. And they have more of the eyeshadows back here. So this one is Glam. You get dark purple and 2 shades of pink. And there's actually 3 of these left, so I'm going to bring all 3 home with me. And they have one more up here, so it's actually an eyeshadow called Desert Vista. So dark brown, a cream color, and dark purple. Really pretty as well. The last 2 is actually mesmerizing, so I might as well get these 2 as well. Super pretty. So I recently tried out the LA Colors lip stains, lip glosses, and the shiny lipsticks. They're really good, you guys, especially the lip stains. It stays on your lips all day long. I'm not even kidding. So if you see them, go ahead and buy it. You won't regret it. And there's also a glam gloss as well, which I really enjoy. But honestly, I don't really care for the applicator, but it does moisturize my lips. And they still have the lip oils down here and the macaroon lip balms, which are so adorable. So if you guys want to see this more in detail, definitely check out my previous video. But I think it's time to move on to the skincare section. I think it's really cool that you can find gift sets at the dollar store priced at $1. So hopefully these skincare sets are amazing. I will keep you guys updated on my Instagram stories, so keep that in mind. But I have to show you guys a closer look because they look really nice. I'm not sure if this brand is good, you guys, but you get 2 bath bombs and a body wash. I think this one is supposed to smell like lavender. And here's the other one, you guys, super cute. So the body wash says refreshing, and you get 2 pink bath bombs. You know this one is calling my name. And the other one is 2 yellow bath bombs, and it also says refreshing. So hopefully these smell good, but I'm going to buy all 3 just to let you guys know what I think about it. But I will say the bath bombs are super tiny. You probably need like 4 of these to make a really nice bath, you know? Everything that's in my basket so far, you guys, and it's finally time to look at the hair accessories. So I know it looks super empty, but I actually found heart clips, which are so cute, and I think there's only one left, so of course I have to bring it home with me. But let's hope that I can find some more stuff. Here's a closer look of the heart clips, you guys. Super gorgeous. So you get rose gold, black, and gray. I love it so much, but what do you guys think? I have to know. And I just found one for you guys, super gorgeous. And once again, only 3 for $1. And I can't believe I just found really cute brushes over here. My daughter is going to love it. So this one is Disney Princess, and it has glitter all over it. Super cute. And look at the back, you guys. I love it so much. But if you guys don't care for the Disney Princess, they also have Frozen, which she loves as well. So dark purple with glitter. I have to get these 2. So cute. Now I have to look at the fuzzy socks, and the last time I was here I actually found them. They're super cute, but many of you guys told me that you don't enjoy them, but I think they're actually pretty soft. Just let me know what you guys think. But I actually found more of these crew socks, and I really love them, you guys. They're so soft, and this color is actually new. I have to bring it home with me. I love this one, you guys, because of the pink and the purple. Super adorable. There's even yellow and dark blue, so of course I need them. I was hoping to find more of these for friends and family, but they only have this one down here, so blue and purple. I have this one already. It's really nice. And they still have the fuzzy socks, which I love. And this one is actually new, you guys, so light gray and red. I love it. So cute. But my favorite is the panda. There's also flamingos, a dog. So I actually had a lot of fun shopping at the dollar store today, you guys, and I'm sorry if you can tell that I have low energy, but I've been on the keto diet for 2 weeks and I actually quit coffee like 4 days ago, and I'm actually feeling the effects and I just feel so down, if that makes sense. So hopefully I can get over that in the next 3 to 9 days. We will see. But anyways, I would love to know what you guys think the best find is in the comment section down below. I think the best find was definitely the gift sets for $1. You get 3 things, you know, so really good deal. And I also think the diamond set was also a really good deal as well. But once again, just let me know what you guys think. So that is actually going to be it for this one. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, then go ahead and give it a big thumbs up for me. And if you are new, don't forget this channel is all about shopping, so definitely stick around, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And don't forget about my second channel as well. And I'll talk to you guys in my next one.